Hello everyone, today I'm going to present the text2story, a Python package dedicated to extract all the elements of a narrative text and to produce visualizations from annotated data. The text2story can speed up the development of new techniques for the extraction of narrative elements, and hence to contribute to the advancement of the research in the field. So let's begin the tutorial. First, you need to set up the environment by installing the necessary libraries. Then, after that, you can install the text2story package using the pip, a package manager of Python. Now, after this setup the environment here, all the installation process, you can start begin to use the package. You can begin by importing the package here. This is a small example from the Harry Potter's book series. Next, some of the models that we employ in our tools need to download it by hand or as they use it. So here we have a temporal extraction model here in the installation process, because in this tutorial we're going to use this model, okay? But if you are going to use another model, it is not really necessary. It's depend on how you use our tool. Here you need to load the English models to build to use the pipeline. So after you load the English models, you can extract the narrative elements from the text. Here we create the narrative object. So next we're going to extract the narrative elements, participants, time and events. Only after extract these elements we can extract the links between them. See that we can build this pipeline with a few lines of code and very simple interface. After the extraction of the components, we can build the visualizations of these elements here. First, we get the annotation in a file format. After that, we import the visualization library modules here, and we are able to visualize the annotated file here. First, we have the produce the message sequence chart visualization. Let's see, here are the participants here in the message sequence chart. Here in parentheses we have the count of how many times this participant appear in the text. So to avoid the redundancy, we combine in only one element here in the message sequence chart instead of replicate 4 times, or in this case 2 times, this participant. And then the events that relate these participants are portrayed here in the picture here. Miss Porter, for instance, was probably the mention of her, and this is the automatic annotation result. So maybe in this case there are some mistakes of the annotation. Here we have the knowledge graph result. Here we have the participants as nodes and the relationships between them here. Is similar to message sequence chart, but the order in message sequence chart usually follows the order in the text. So Miss Porter probably is the first participant, her is the second, and the last one is her assistant, her good nothing husband. Okay, so let's see our Bubba diagram. Here in this example, we need provide more information about the relations. So this visualization requires some additional information. So we get here two files from manual annotated text, and we use these. First we have to install the temporal model here and load our Portuguese model. Actually, this model loading is just to show how our package can load other language models, because our example here is manual annotated, and we need it in this way because the bubble visualization requires some special annotation to picture the reporting events, and here they are producing the visualization of the bubble visualization. And after this line of code here, we can display the picture here. This is a high quality picture, and the first element here is in the 12 o'clock position. It is the first reporting event in the text. In similar way, we have here the first event related to this report event. Okay, so we have these two I'm sorry, this is the first, not this. And this is the first reporting event. Okay, these numbers here are this the number of the sentence, the number 1 sentence, the number 2 sentence, and number 4 sentence. So the reporting event here, it is the first reporting event in the text, and there are another two here are other events related to this one. And if we follow the clockwise order, we can follow other reporting events and their related events. So we have here also some relationships between in this case this green here square are these green squares are the agent that are reporting here this event, and also they can be related to events, so we picture here. This kind of visualization is helpful for linguistic purpose and can help to analyze how the history is tell by the news or in the text. So how they are reported, how the events are reported, how the order are reporting the events. So this is very helpful for linguistic purpose. Okay, and that's it. We hope you liked our tutorial. Thank you. Bye bye.